What is up, you guys? So today I'm going to be doing a review over No Issue. So No Issue is a company that makes custom tissue paper and stickers, specifically for small and medium-sized businesses, and I fit right in that bracket because I am a small business. Because if you didn't know, I do sell homemade skincare products over at my Etsy shop. I will link my shop down below so you guys can check it out, and I'll link it up here for you guys so it's easy for you to find. But anyways, let's talk about No Issue. So No Issue, like I said, makes custom tissue paper and custom stickers, and you literally are able to customize basically everything about the tissue paper. And you can get low minimum order quantities, so you can get as low as 250 and then like as high as, I don't even know, like 5,000. I'm not 100% sure. I'll put here on the screen exactly how big your order can possibly be. And then the same goes with stickers. You can get small orders of stickers or large orders of stickers. Another really cool thing about this brand is they do use FSC certified paper and soy-based ink, so they try to be as environmentally friendly as well. They're also part of the Plant a Tree Foundation, so after you purchase your order, you get to choose where you want to plant your tree, which is pretty cool. I planted one in Haiti. So overall, they are a very like environmentally friendly business. So if you're environmentally friendly, then this is a brand you can definitely support while being able to add a little extra touch to your packages. Because when it comes to branding and just being a business, packaging is everything. Especially nowadays when we have social media and everybody's like sharing what they purchased. It's a lot more memorable and you get the whole vibe of the brand when the entire packaging is branded. It sort of just brings you into that brand's world and just the vibe they're trying to give with their brand. So packaging can really mean a lot to customers. So being able to just customize everything down to your packaging itself is a really nice thing that you can do to your brand. So that is something that's definitely encouraged and something customers definitely remember. So No Issue is definitely a great company that I recommend if you want to try out some different types of customization for your branding. And I'm not just saying this because they sent me free product, because I just wanted to give you guys a honest review. I'm just saying that overall they are a great brand. They have a great customer service and the product itself is a very nice quality. So now that you guys know about the brand, let's talk about the ordering process and how like easy it really is. So like I said, this is custom tissue paper, so you get to customize it yourself. I'm going to talk about their Instagram real quick because their Instagram is like, it's on fire. It's a nice Instagram. Go check out their Instagram. And I would say it's a really good place to get inspiration if you don't know what to make your tissue paper look like. This is what their Instagram looks like. Go check it out. I'll link it down below and put their handle down below. So before we get into the process of how to order your custom tissue paper and stickers, let's do the unboxing so you guys can see what the product looks like. So yeah, let's do it. So I just received my custom tissue paper from No Issue. The box itself is very cute. I love that it has the brand's name on it and it's packaged very well and nice and like secure. So the top of the box is the side that has your address on it, and all you gotta do is cut this side, and then cut like the little edges here and here. So let's just open it up. Ooh, okay, so this looks so nice. As you can see, like the stickers are just nicely sat on the top, and then the tissue paper beautifully laid out on the sides. If you've ever gotten a subscription box, it kind of has that feel to it. And up on the top lid, it says it's a wrap, and then be in to win a year's worth of No Issue tissue. Just send a snap of your tissue in use to hi@noissue.co or tag us on #NoIssue on Instagram to enter. And then it has their little Instagram there, and then there is the tissue paper. So it's very neatly and just aesthetically pleasing to the eye to open up your custom tissue paper, which it's always nice to have a really pretty unboxing because it just gives a good feel to it. And here are the stickers. So I mean, can't really mess up stickers. As long as they stick, they are stickers, and they definitely feel stickable. They're nice and glossy, and they're just a really nice size. My logo is perfect on there. It looks absolutely beautiful. So I'd say the stickers definitely have 2 thumbs up. Okay, so the moment we've all been waiting for, let's talk about the tissue paper. So I ended up just cutting the packaging here and then on the 2 edges so I can just easily open it up. I wouldn't recommend trying to pull the tissue out from the sides because you might rip it, and you don't want that to happen. So just like the stickers, they have my logo perfect. It looks like the ink they use is very nice. It just, the whole text just looks perfect, exactly how I wanted it, and this is literally exactly what I was expecting. Basically, to talk about the tissue paper, it's tissue paper. It's a very thin paper, and I mean, that's tissue paper for you. Tissue paper is very fine. So it is sort of transparent, just like kind of like most tissue paper. So it's no different from your everyday tissue paper that you purchase from the store. And I mean, that's what I was expecting. It's tissue paper. What separates this from, you know, your everyday tissue paper is that it's customized, it has your logo on it. I think it looks perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. So that's it for the unboxing. So obviously, first off, you need to go to their website to start the order process. And then you can go ahead and just right away upload your logo. So through this whole order process, you can do a little tutorial, which is what I did, and it takes you like step by step through everything that you need to do to customize your tissue paper. Obviously, if you've already done it before, you can just skip the tutorial. But I used the tutorial just to show you guys how to do it and show myself because it was the first time I was ever there. So I recorded my entire process of ordering, and I'll put that up on the screen as I guide you guys through. First off, you upload your logo. After you have your logo uploaded, then you choose the template you want your tissue paper to look like. So there's all kinds of different positions and sizes you can have your tissue paper look like. And honestly, I think it all just depends on what you're using your tissue paper for, what your logo looks like, and just personal preference. So in the end, I ended up choosing this as my template for my tissue paper. Then the next thing you can do is choose the color of your logo. And they have so many different colors to choose from. Like it was like overwhelming how many colors they had. So whatever color you're looking for, they most likely have it. I am boring and went with black because that's what my brand is for my skincare line. It's kind of just black and white. Then you choose your size and quantity, and this varies in price and just whatever, you know, whatever size you want. I ended up going with a 250, and it was $130 for 250 quantity. And you can also choose sizes. I ended up going with the standard size, which is 50 by 75 centimeter. Then you can actually change the color of the paper itself. Again, there are so many different colors to choose from. I personally just went with white because, like I said, black and white is sort of the colors for my brand. And if you do choose a color for your tissue paper, it's $55 extra. This probably varies by what quantity you get and what size and all that stuff, but I got the 250 quantity, so it was $55 extra if I wanted color. Then there's even a option to customize the template of your tissue paper even more. So even though my logo is already like angled on the tissue paper, you can even angle it even more, angle it in different directions. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. So you can literally customize this down to just the smallest details. Once you have your tissue paper to your liking, then you are immediately directed towards customizing your stickers. And again, I'm just using the same exact logo for my stickers as I did with my tissue paper. You can do whatever you want. It's all up to you. It's your brand, it's your packaging, whatever you want. I just used the same exact logo and uploaded that. You can choose what types of shapes you want. I did circles. Then you can choose the size and the amount. And then you can choose if you want matte or glossy. Then you just add the cart, check out. So after you check out and you pay, then you get to choose where you want to plant a tree. So yeah, that is the entire order process for no issue. It's super easy, it's very customizable, and it's really user-friendly because, like I said, if you don't really know how to use it, there's a tutorial that'll show you how to use it. So it's really easy. A few things I do want to talk about through my experience that I learned. Okay, first off, when you place your order, make sure you use an email you actually use, because I don't know about you guys, but I have a junk email that I give to stores when I go to stores, when I sign up for like social medias, or when I purchase things on websites. Because when you purchase things on websites, when you go to a store, they just send you all kinds of junk and spam mail that you don't want, and your email is just flooded with just junk mail. So I have my junk email that I use for everything, and then I have my like personal business email that I use to email people. So I use my junk email because anytime I purchase from a company, I just get spam from them. So I use my junk email. Don't do that with no issue, because they will actually send you emails asking questions. So once I placed in my order, I was wondering why I wasn't like receiving a tracking code. Then I realized I had an email from No Issue. I had like 5-6 emails from them. And the reason why they're emailing me is because they wanted to verify that the tissue paper and the stickers were correct. And I think this is a really, really nice thing for them to do, because I don't really know, like maybe some mess ups could happen somewhere between like, I don't know, maybe something could just possibly mess up. I'm sure they've experienced it. And they just want to verify with the customer that this is the correct design and they're happy with it before they print it, because I'm sure you know, it's a long, thorough process for them to print all that stuff, and it's customizable, so we can't just like return it and then resell it. So they just want to make sure that it's exactly what we want, which I think is a very nice thing that this brand does. So it was my fault that they weren't able to send my tissue paper as quickly as normally they would because I wasn't checking my emails. So make sure you're using an email that you actually check. Look out for that email from them confirming that the tissue paper and stickers are correct. After you verify with them that it's correct, they will send the template over to the printing company, wherever that happens to be. They'll print it, and then as soon as they have it printed, they'll send you an updated email that it is being sent out. And then you can go back to the No Issues website and then just track your order from there. And another really cool personal thing I thought they did is I woke up one morning and I had a text message from them. I think it was on a Friday morning, and it said DHL Express, and then it had my order number. From No Issue is scheduled for delivery Tuesday, October 23rd. To authorize delivery without signature or for other delivery options, go to the website they have here. So I could literally, you know, go onto that link and then let them know any kinds of more details about dropping the package off, if I want them to signature confirmation it or not, or just leave it at the door. So I thought that was really cool that like halfway through the shipping process, they actually like sent you a text, which is very personal. So they are a very like thorough company. They're good at communication, and they're just very user-friendly and just very personal. I got a very personal experience from them. Like they just like wanted to make sure I was happy. They wanted to make sure this was right, this was wrong, if this needs fixed, if that is good. So good for you, No Issue. You're doing an awesome job. Thank you, you're a great brand. Thank you for reaching out to me. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you're interested, go check them out. Check out their Instagram, check out their website. It'll all be linked down below for you guys. And yeah, thank you, No Issue, for sending me my custom tissue paper and stickers. But yeah, so let me know down in the comments if you've ever heard of No Issue, if you've ever used them, what your experience was like, and just, I don't know, what your thoughts are on this brand. But yeah, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I do sell homemade natural skincare products over on my Etsy shop, and I am using my custom tissue paper and stickers for my packaging now, but I only use it in priority orders. So if you order just like 1 or 2 smaller items, then it's just going to be shipped in my normal like packaging, which is just a little like envelope. I don't really know how to describe it, but if you get enough products, which is basically like 3 or more, sometimes 2 if they're bigger products, I'll ship it priority in my new packaging with my new custom tissue paper and stickers. But yeah, so just keep that in mind when you're ordering your product. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time, like I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen, because I've had a vision. Now I'm on a mission to find myself.